Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Because here, if you see, my friend, what the price given you, here is a big one like that. Here it give you a cup and handle, my friend. If it's breaking for us that lower here, we need to calculate it like that, and we make it lower. So it's going to go till 17K, my friend. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find the red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. We came again, my friend, and as you see here, the daily candle is finished. And as you see it, it's choking. In reality, it's being choking that candle. And I saw some other people, they make analysis, they make it like that. They said also we got here a channel, here that zone, and maybe they are right, because if you see here, if you bring the lower of that candle, that one and that one, you're going to have here a channel or a setup there. So let's do it together and to see it like that. Like that. Yes, they are right. We got here a channel, as you see it, my friend. So the price, it fall down to the lower of that channel. And also we tell it to you before, we tell you the levels we got. We tell you we got that level. And we got here that one. And we put that one. So maybe from that lower of that channel, it's going to give us here a signal. But me, I'm not going to enter all this if it touching the lower of that trend, the long-term trend, that one. Because that one is the long-term trend, my friend. And here, that zone here, as we drawing before, that one is a very stronger zone. It's a very stronger supply and demand zone. Can even extend it like that. So let's do it together. Where is the price? Last time, move upward. So be aware of that one, my friend. We make it like that red, as you see it. So that one here. And over here, me I said, is going to bounce. And let's see what's going to happen, my friend. Till now, that candle is finished, and it finished with big volume, my friend. And it's a very bad day moment. The only thing I can say, the Fed, the disaster in us. And what make things worse is not only in the crypto, even in the stock market. So people in the stock market, even them, they're facing very bad losses today. As you see, my friend, what we got here. I showed you that one before. I told you we got here a double top, and that one to calculating, that one it's saying here. But let's wait and see what's going to happen, my friend, because the US dollar now it's going up, and me been trading all the whole day, because majority of you didn't know me. I'm trading the forex market a lot, because that way me scalping and doing those things. Even the forex market today, it fall down. The Euro USD, it fall down. The cable or British pound, it fall down. And even here in the Bitcoin, it fall down. So let's see if it's going to hold here. If it's not that zone here, where is the price now? 2,910 is going to hold here at 19,462, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, my friend, is official now. It's falling down. I used to have here a level here at 44. It used to hold for me. But now even that one is break it down here. So we have very bad moment, my friend. Now let's see if it's going to hold here, because it can even come till here. Then after that it will going up. But till now, my friend, nothing confirmed yet. So that trend line, that one we're drawing before, now it's not valid yet. We need to delta it, and we need to make a close attention at the long term, that one. That trend, that one, also been following for a long time, my friend. What is going to price to do now? There is one of two. The first one is going to fall down till here, till the oversold area. Then also we're going to buy again. If it's not, if it stay only here, then after that we're going upward, like how it did last time. So let me show it to you. If you remember, my friend, and you being someone in the market for some time, that zone here, not zone here, every time it's holding, as you see it, and even the price now is it at it. Now I'm talking only about that indicator here. Even the last time me I enter from here, from 30k, and I sell at 60k, it came till here, then it went back till here, as you see it. Let me change that color. It went back till here, then after that it went up till the overbought area. But the last time it came here, then it went up till here, then it went down and hitting that line here at 44. I have it set up in my broker where I'm trading every day, but now it's closed because today the market is closed now. Then it went up here, touching that trend line. Then after that he came down, he touched here, and now he touched here. Now it's the same scenario, my friend, as you see it. It touched for us that trend line here. Now he touching that line here. There is one of two now. It's going to stay here ranging. Then after that we're going up to the overbought. Another scenario, it's going to make a correction like that to touch that one. Then after that it's going to drop to the oversold area, my friend. But that thing also we're talking about now is for long term, my friend. For short term, my view to it now is going to stay here ranging for 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. Let's see tomorrow, because now if we go into the weekly is very bad now, my friend. Here in the weekly, my friend, as you see it, it's very, very, very bad now. That candle, it's left for it 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Let's see if it's going to go upward again to holding above that 200 moving average. And that's the hope of us. So let's wait in what the market going to do, because if it doesn't hold above it, it's going to fall down, my friend. And that the baddest scenario, no one wants it, my friend. It's a very bad moment, my friend. So stay stronger and don't sell. Don't be afraid. If you are holding Bitcoin, don't sell it by lose. Nothing will happen to your Bitcoin, my friend. Just use staking and interest rate and leave it there. And if you got some capital deposit and buy from lower, that is going to be the good scenario for you. So that's my advice to you, my friend. So now let's go into 4 hours to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see it, he breaking even the lower of that channel also we make before. So he given us here another channel. Let's make it together. He given us a channel. Is it that one? Here, like that. As you see it now here in the 4 hours, my friend, what the price giving us now. He gave us a channel from here and here and here, and now the price at it now. So let's see what's going to happen now. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, the price it touches here, and that candle which is going now, it's left for 3 hours. So let's see if it's going to come a big green candle like that to show us that level here, because that level here is very stronger level. So let's see if it's going to hold or not. All that because the Fed, he said in September they are going to hike interest rate more. So they don't get enough of hiking interest rate. I don't know where they want to take us, but that's the reality us we're living in. So I think that one is going to give us here a candle, but it's left for it now. It just start. I think it's going to fall down more than that till here. So let's waiting what's going to happen. And as you see here, the price is breaking for us the 200 moving average, my friend. And that one is a very bad signal. So let's see what's going to happen, my friend. The only hope us we have now, we have that 2 levels. That one here where it is the price now, and that one down here. If the price break them, you're going to see it down. Let's see if the 17k is going to hold. If it's not, you're going to see it very lower, my friend. So that's the only things I can tell you, my friend, till now. And because here, if you see, my friend, what the price given you, here is a big one like that. Here it give you a cup and handle, my friend. If it's breaking for us that lower here, we need to calculate it like that, and we make it lower. So it's going to go till 17k, my friend. If it's breaking for us that lower here, so you need to be aware of those ones, my friend. Let me zoom it out like that for the picture to be more clear to you what I'm talking about. If you see it, my friend, here, what the price given you here in that zone. that a cup and handle, my friend, is very well known pattern. You make it like that, and let's bring in that one here, and we calculate him from here to here. Then if it's breaking for us, the lower of that one, you're going to see it here at 17k. So let's draw in that zone to come to it in the future. Here at 17,207, my friend. So be aware of that zone. But till now there is no breaking yet, because as you see, my friend, here as I told you, also we got here that cup and handle, but till now there is nothing breaking yet. But if it came a candle and close below it like that, it's likelihood the market is going to go till here. Also we got the first target here at 19,462, my friend, and we make it here at the 4 hours. If you remember, we used to have here a channel, then Amir told you if it's broken it's going to come till here, when we used to be here in the top. Now we are near to it. Now we are at 20k, but the last level is it that one here, as I tell it to you, at 17,207, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. And here, because now even if the market give you a divergence or something, the market is hitting a big selling off, my friend. So you need to be aware of those things, my friend. And here at the fair and great index, my friend, if you remember what I told you got a level here between 60 and 45, like that. And I told you we got another level here down between 20 and let's make it 5, like that. So as you see, my friend, when it touch it here, when it touch that zone, now the fair and great index here, we are at 30 now. So it's left for it more room to fall down till here, till 20 is down. So make a close attention to that, my friend. And if you came here and you draw in like that, a trend line here at the fair and great index, my friend, as you see it, the same thing like how our indicator was telling us, it touches here, it touches here, now it's falling, my friend. So I couldn't break it, and to go higher, to go up till here again, to go till that zone here, between 75 and 85, my friend. So it's a very bad moment, my friend. Till now, it's still time to buy, my friend. As you see it, now is at 29, so till it's reaching down 20 and between 5 and 20, my friend, that's the right time for you to buy. So now the market still for it some room to fall down more. It's going back to the chart to see what is it there, my friend. And that's what I told you, my friend. Now I think, as I tell it to you before, I think it's going to go till here, till that 17,207, my friend. And at that time, I'm going to update you when there is a buying signal. I'm going to tell it to you, my friend. So if you are not subscriber, subscribe to our channel. If you are wondering what else we're talking about technical analysis of Bitcoin. If you want to learn it, down below in the first comment, there is a 85% couple link to our technical analysis course. You can go to it and benefit from all those things and to learn from pro people, my friend. So now let's see what's going to happen, my friend. As you see, it gave us that channel, but that channel not complete yet. It needs the price to go back up to give you at least 2 highs like that. Lows, we got 2 lows, as you see it. We got the first one here and now the second one. But the highs, we got only 1. So it needs the price to go up to give you at least 2 highs for you to be sure. The only thing we are sure about it, my friend, is that one, the cup and handle, my friend. So everything is too clear, my friend. Let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, here you got that head and shoulder territory at the 4 hours before it falling. Is very clear as you see it, like that. And that one will drive all price all down. But that one, it bring for you the target. The target was only here at that zone here. That one, it fall down more than that, as you see it, my friend. Yes, the price now, we are at the lower of that channel here. By the way, that one, the lower of the channel of the daily. That one we draw together. So let's hope that one it will go in upward. But if it go upward, it will not go that much. It will go only to touch here the 200 moving average. That one here. Then after that, it will continue back down, my friend. The target is at 19,462, my friend. Then after that, we will see what's going to happen, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. I'm not going to show you indicator or something because now you can't enter long. You need always to follow long-term trend, my friend, because in the short-term trend, it can give you an entry, but in long-term trend, that is the key. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow, my friend. Bye for now.